Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this part in Inventor using the additive method. So as you know, we are working with puzzle cube blocks that are 0.75 inches in either direction. So to make this part, I'm going to start off by opening up a new part file, and I'm going to start a new 2D sketch. Now I need to select a plane that I want to begin my sketch on. So I'm going to start off with my XY plane, which is my front face of my object. So to make this part, I'm going to go to my line tool and I'm going to sketch out the basic shape of my object first. Notice the dimensions are not quite right, but this is going to be my base object. I'm going to go to dimension, and that's where I'm going to click on each one of my lines and type in the corresponding dimension. So this side is supposed to be 3 blocks tall, so 0.75 times 3 is 2.25 inches. So I'll enter that in and press enter. I'll use my middle scroll wheel to zoom out, and I'm going to go around and type in my dimensions for each of my other parts. And both of these will become driven dimensions since we have enough information around my part to fully dimension these other sides. Now I'm ready to give this object some thickness. So I'm going to right click and finish my 2D sketch. And I'm going to go up to my extrude function. So when I click extrude, it automatically selects the profile of my puzzle cube. I want the thickness of this cube to be 0.75 inches to indicate that it's only 1 cube thick. And I'm going to say OK. Now, if we go back to our original part, I want to go ahead and add on this additional piece. So in my part, I'm going to start another new 2D sketch on this front surface. And this time, I'm going to use my rectangle tool to actually start at my origin and make a square. So I can type in 0.75 inches, press tab to go to my next dimension, and type in 0.75 inches again and press enter. Now, if I right click and finish my 2D sketch, I can go to extrude one more time, make sure that profile is selected, and extrude it out 0.75 inches. Make sure that your extrude function is on join so that you can add your part and not accidentally subtract it. Once you've done that, go ahead and say OK, and you have your finished puzzle cube piece. If you want to add color, go up here to the second tab, go to the drop down, and you can scroll down this list and make this part whatever color you'd like. Thank you for watching.